Yealink Meeting. Cloud-based video conferencing platform makes it easier to meet online. Enter video meeting with one click. Yealink Meeting enables face-to-face communication with anyone, anywhere, at any time. Compatible with any device. You can start a one-touch conference from a PC client. Invite meeting attendees from a calendar app. Send notifications to invitees. Join meetings from the mobile app. Yealink Meeting provides a consistent experience everywhere. In addition to user device compatibility, Yealink Meeting integrates with room system hardware to satisfy different meeting requirements. Yealink Meeting provides rich functions like one-click wireless content sharing and whiteboard options for ideas and opinions shared. Intelligent background blur produces stunning images. Meeting data analytics help enterprises optimize their settings. By combining a distributed cloud architecture with more than 99% of main global service nodes, Yealink Meeting provides ultra-low latency services. This global architecture allows concurrent service for millions of users. Intelligent routing transmission identifies the optimal path. Zero-error access to the optimal node enables ultra-low latency. Regional data storage, providing regional isolation control. Personal user data can be located within a preferred region without data transfer. Customers have an option to remove all data at any time when canceling the subscription. All meetings are encrypted with AES 256 and TLS. Compliance with GDPR. Yealink Meeting provides multi-level security to ensure user data security and privacy. Compatible with third-party terminal and platform. Users can join meetings through Teams, web browsers, SIP-H.323 devices, PSTN, and more. To enjoy greater flexibility of video conferences. Yealink is the one-stop provider for terminal devices and cloud services, and offers a better meeting experience with advanced features. The new 4K conferencing terminal ensures a reliable high-definition experience for higher efficiency. The intelligent voice tracking function positions the speaker in the center of the image, so participants stay focused. The dynamic and high-definition images provide an unparalleled experience. Yealink Meeting is perfect for meeting room devices, personal devices, or any combination of devices. Yealink Meeting.